We do our best to share all the latest Rockler products with all of you, but there just aren't enough Saturday demos to cover everything that our talented product development team comes up with. So today, we're going to catch up with 6 products that you may have missed out on, and we're betting that at least one of these is something you're going to want to add to your shop. Let's get started. I'm going to start with 3 new additions to the Dustrite family of dust collection accessories. This is the Dustrite floor sweep with built-in blast gate. It's a dust port that you mount on your floor for sweeping your dust into, and the blast gate is built right into it. The top port connects to a 4-inch diameter dust hose with a hose clamp. You simply use your foot to open and close the blast gate, so there's no need to bend down. Once you sweep up the dust, your dust collection will suck it right up through the floor sweep. Now this is the Dustrite clamping hose holder. It's a spring clamp with a built-in strap that holds hoses up to 2.5-inch diameter. Now if you've ever tried to place a dust hose on your bench and wanted it to stay in the right spot, like that, you're going to love this tool. You can clamp these hose holders to your workbench, to a power tool, or even to the framing in your garage, wherever you need a hose to be secured and stay put. And it features 2 different positions where you can mount the hose strap, depending on where you want it to be. Now this is the fence port dust brush. Now at first glance, it may appear to be a typical 2.5-inch dust hose connected to this router fence. But when you detach it from the fence, you'll see it's also a brush nozzle for cleaning off the surface of your power tools. It makes it quick and convenient to clean up the dust and chips from the top of whatever tool it's connected to. The flexible 2.5-inch diameter hose expands in length up to 50 inches to reach all parts of the work surface. Now this is the quick draw marking gauge. It's a T-square with a built-in pencil holder that makes it quick and easy to mark your workpiece. You can use it as a T-square to mark lines perpendicular with the edge, or lock the pencil position to make lines parallel with the edge. It features standard and metric measurement increments, and it's got a built-in channel to hold your pencil. Now this is the magnetic LED task light. It features multiple brightness settings, an adjustable light beam, and a magnetic base. The light includes 2 auxiliary bases which can be mounted to any work surface or a wall. It also includes a clamping bracket that easily attaches to desks or tabletops up to 2.5 inches thick. Now these are the Rockler cord winding brackets. They're similar to the brackets you'd see built into, say, a vacuum cleaner, and you wrap your cords around them, obviously, but they can be mounted with screws or this double-side tape to virtually any surface or tool in your shop. They feature flexible rubber slots on the front that will secure cords as large as 12 gauge. And the knobs that hold the cord can be twisted to detents every 90 degrees for a quick release of the cord. So there you have it. 6 innovative new products that you might have missed. And there's a whole lot more coming throughout the rest of the year. I can't wait to show them to you just as soon as they're available. I'm Dan Carey with Rockler and Woodworker's Journal. Thanks for watching.